guys think you're tight? Think you're fucking cool? You gang up on me? You're fucking cool? Fucking milk dud nipple ass bitch. What's good is my skills when it comes to this area of expertise. I just don't know how I feel about it.
The X Games are real.
So you're scared?
There's faggots like this over here fucking shit up.
So you're scared, dog?
I mean, I'm just saying, you know, I'm not comfortable rocking the fakie, aka switch.
The X Games are real.
I almost dislocated my fucking pelvis today.
Hey, Carlson's gonna try it.
Fucking, my wrists are hurting. You okay? I'm so scared!
It's over!
Suck a cock!
Think you're a bitch ass? Not gonna happen.
I can eat this shit up.
I'm scared! I'm scared!
And we're going in. This shit on me last fucking second, you know? It's good. It's all about the fucking vibe.
Dude, it's...
Son, ghost flip, get it!
Ghost flip, son, go! Please.